How can you search the internet on the Apple Watch? Let me show you the options that you do have available. So if you don't want to miss videos like this one, subscribe and you're going to stay on the top of your Apple Watch. Anyways, the most common method is to use Siri, which is not like the best voice assistant, but it can look up some information on the internet. So you can tell it to give you some fact or check the weather, like the basic stuff, or you can literally tell it to open up some sort of website, right? So you can literally just tell it to open up like apple.com, and it's going to give you these like links, suggestions, which you can actually click on, and it will open it through the integrated web browser. So the Apple Watch doesn't have like a Safari or anything like that, but you can open on or click some links and it will open them within this browser. So that is how it functions. That is the thing that you probably need to know how you can do, and that's like the actual like the best way to do it. However, you also have the ability to open links differently. I know a lot of people who open links through the messages. You can even technically send yourself the link within the message and click it right here and open it up. So you can even go to like the web search in here and type something in, because it would be possible, but it's just not the most convenient method on such a small screen of the watch. It's actually much better to look something up through the voice search, even though it might not be perfect, but it's much more comfortable or convenient. So let me know what you think. Let me know which option you actually decided to go with. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.